convenient, or looks good, or whatever. It's actually, helpful for catching more fish. Yeah, there's a fish. So that was on the hang, right there at the boat. He's taken the point fly. There we go. Not big, but he's a nice little brown trout from Little Pine Lagoon that's taken the Shrek on the point. There he is. So let's get him back in and see if we can get a larger one. Yeah, that you can cover more water. Fish a range of different depths. This one. I guess we could say like the comfort thing. So you're not standing in the freezing cold water. Fish. Might be a little bit better. On the hang again, so right at the boat. Shows the importance of fishing that hang. You catch so many fish that'll follow the fly up throughout the retrieve. Just as you lift up to cast again, it'll just induce a take, sort of forces the fish into making a decision. And there's not many brown trout in Tasmania that'll let a free meal go by too easily. Slightly better fish this one, so we'll just tidy up all the loose line here at our feet to make sure that doesn't get caught around our boot or something on the boat. It's always a good idea. We'll tidy all that up. And just a nice high rod. No rush at this stage. We've gone to all the effort of getting out here and getting this fish on, so we'll just take our time, slide him into the net. There we go. That's a nice fish. He's easy 2.5 to 3 pound. And that's a nice one to open the season here in Tasmania. So there we go, nice brown trout here from Little Pine Lagoon. Nice start to the season, so we're going to slip him back in and see if we can get another one. A few more here, but it seems like we want to be in a bit closer. Oh, there we go. Jeez, hit that hard. There we go, we're on again. So that was quite early in the retrieve that time. Just whack that. A little bit smaller that one, so we should be able to handle him without the reel. There we go. Nah, brown. They're all browns in here. Yeah.
The rainbows in the silver.
Yeah. Jeez, he's tangled into it. Man, there we go. Settle down. Settle down. That's a nice fish.
Yeah.
Nice colours. Fish. Oh, nice jump. So he's taking the point fly, which we just changed as well. So that's a chartreuse beaded straggle bugger, I think. Sorry, mate. Yeah. Sorry, he was a bit of a hot fish, that one. He was a bit hard to handle.
Beauty.
That worked?
Yeah.
We are on again to another good fish. Looks like he's taken the point fly again. Go road, mate.